Okay, now we're going to start to add the sauce, right? OK， 下一步我们就开始加调料了。先把锅打开，好像有很多的好味道。加上这个酱油。来。你看，韩国的酱油有一些酒在里面。The Korean soy sauce has already some wine in it. Usually, we need to add Chinese cooking wine and then add soy sauce. But it's a Korean soy sauce. So cooking fish, Korean soy sauce is very convenient. It already has some wine in it. So that's what I did. Then we also need to add some sugar. Okay, 糖，加点糖 add sugar. Okay.
You know, I have one can of the white sugar here.
然后可以再加一点醋，如果喜欢吃醋的话，有的人喜欢吃糖醋的，就糖多加一点，醋多加一点。Those who love sugar and vinegar can add more. Okay. So it's up to each person's choice. I just add a little bit. Now it's springtime. Springtime, you can add more little sour. 春天可以多加一些蒜。Okay, will stimulate your appetite. Okay, so vinegar, Chinese vinegar is delicious to add into fish. Okay, 然后再把这个青菜。可以加到上面去了。青菜 means the bok choy, right? 这个青菜放在上面，就等于是让它蒸一下。The bok choy on the top of the fish, pretty much like a steaming. You know, when the fish is ready, the bok choy is also ready, and you stir it together, and it's very good together. Okay. Also, usually. When I cook, I like to have different colors. So you have the black color of the fish, you have the green color of the bok choy, right? You have the white color of the garlic, and you have the yellow color of the ginger, right? Then I also like to add a little red color. So this is a tomato. Tomato is really delicious to cook with fish, I notice. Okay. So this is also from H Mart. Okay, H Mart we love. This is our community's wonderful supermarket, and H Mart president and his family is our great supporters, right? So we want to always support H Mart, and want H Mart to enter into every community member's home. You know, right now in our community we have H Mart. And we have the Chinese supermarket. Right now there are two companies of Chinese supermarket. One is called Hualian. Go that direction. The other one is go to Northern Boulevard. We just noticed that it's doing really well. It's called Dazhonghua, the Great Wall Supermarket. Yesterday I did some research on the Great Wall Supermarket. I noticed that they're doing really well. They are the #1 retailer in terms of supermarkets, even much higher rated than BJ. They got rated 92.5, so they are the #1 right now, and they have actually made $300 million. And the founder is a Chinese gentleman from Wenzhou, the Wenzhou community right now. The owners of the supermarket are predominantly from Wenzhou. Of China, which is Zhejiang province. Those are the grandma and the mama always go to our community backyard and sitting there waiting for a breeze in the summer. That's that community. The Wenzhou people are the Chinese Jew. They're very, very good with doing business. Okay, so we need to work with them in every regard. Yesterday I was doing research about the Dazhonghua supermarket. And the way that they got successful has a lot to do with they have lots of fresh seafood. And then they know how to work hard. Right now they have 1,000 workers. And they have the supermarket expanding right now, Northern Boulevard, and they also had a new one in Main Street.
Yeah.
So they also start to expand into many other states right now, just following just like the pattern of H Mart at the beginning. So I think Dazhonghua is definitely a supermarket our charter school need to work with, because they are spreading all over America in every state, and that's basically where the Chinese community is. So if we want to teach, and do the Chinese charter school, we're gonna be probably working with Dazhonghua in every regard. And so our Wenzhou community, we need to start to work with more. Yeah. Okay, so we have pretty much, the fish is ready, right? Looking nice. I'm gonna add just a little more soy sauce on top, and then gonna take it right out. Okay. Get a little dish. Good. Right here. Turn off the fire. And ready to serve, right?
Mm.
Okay. The fish dish is ready. Okay. Simple, right? Anybody can learn how to cook it. And I think it's gonna be delicious. I will taste it very quickly. Right here, a little chopstick. 这个鱼已经煮得很熟了。You see? Right? It's good, right? Good meat, right?
Yeah, taste it.
Okay, let's try it. Very yummy. Very good. Okay. 很好吃。You say 很好吃。
很好吃。
很好吃 means it's delicious. 很好吃。
很好吃。
好，谢谢。
好，谢谢。
Okay, pause.